So you're thinking of moving to Lisbon, Portugal. Today I'm going to walk you around one of the neighborhoods and show you what you can find that's a little bit off the beaten track from the tourist, but still so well located. The metro here has lines red and yellow, so you can get to city center or the airport easily. Today we are visiting Saldanha. Saldanha is the perfect marriage between European luxury and charm. There are very modern apartments and then some pre-war apartments with all the charm, the balcony, the wrought iron, all the things that you would expect. So let's look around. So that is a major traffic roundabout here at Saldanha. You can see buses, cars going in every direction, fast. It's a good landmark. Okay. Today we're just going to walk through the Atrium Saldanha. It's a mall. Malls are still a very big thing here in Portugal. So let's check it out. This mall actually has a lot of co-working spaces. We just left from a very brief tour of the Atrium Saldanha. Apparently, videoing is not allowed, and I was booted, but with a smile on their face, so you got the idea of what it's like. Now we're going to walk toward the apartments that are the elegance of Saldanha, the Saldanha residences. So let's go check those out. Look at this building here. It's just the shell of the building. Hope you can appreciate that. That is very common in the Lisbon area. So the outside is going to look historic, and then the inside is going to be completely new. Completely new. It will take a long time because this is Portugal and things do take a while, but I think it might be worth it. This is right here in Saldanha, right across the street from some very luxurious modern apartments, and then also across the street from a renovated, amazing apartment building. Here in Saldanha, you can find a one-bedroom modern luxury apartment for about 400,000 euros. A 2 to 3 bedroom apartment will be 700 to 800 up to 1.2 million. So that's Saldanha. It's modern, it's efficient, it's very walkable, so connected by the red and yellow lines of the metro. Could you see yourself living in Saldanha? We are here to help you. If you would like to move to Portugal, anywhere within an hour of Lisbon, whether it's in 9 days, 9 months, we are here to help you. Reach out. Our contact information is in the description below. We can help you figure out what your budget would allow you and what part of this area would fit the feeling that you're after, because that's really what it's all about, right? There's so many, almost infinite nuances to different places to live in the Lisbon area. So let's help you find your perfect fit. If this is your first time visiting our channel, Living in Lisbon, please go ahead and subscribe. If you have any interest in moving to Lisbon or anywhere within a 1-hour radius in any direction, we'd be happy to help you. We publish new videos every week, visiting neighborhoods, small towns, little nuanced spots, so that you can get a feel for what it's really like to live here without actually moving here. So you get a head start.
Traveling in Europe for a year, and then you travel through Lisbon. Otherwise, we'll take.
Now we're going to go through one of my favorite indoor markets. You could live here for a year and not even notice it, but once you discover it, it's amazing. So let's go. If this has been interesting or helpful, please share it, like it, we'd really appreciate it.